Jed here to show you how to change the call parking timeout setting in GoToAdmin. Call parking allows users to place a call on hold in a designated spot, and anyone in your organization can pick up that call. The call parking timeout setting specifies the duration a person is on hold before the call is bounced back to the person who parked the call. It is a great safeguard to ensure that calls are not forgotten. You must be an admin or super admin to complete this task. GoToAdmin can be accessed at this site. I've already signed in as the super admin Ryan Noble. Take note of the left navigation menu. You may see different icons here depending on what options are available with your GoTo plan. Begin by clicking the settings icon. Then click Phones. Then select Calls. Here is the call parking timeout setting. You can select from this drop-down list if you want the time to be seconds, minutes, or hours. You'll want to decide when it is long enough for one employee to park the call and another to pick it up. However, you don't want to make the duration too long or else the call may be forgotten. For this video, I'll type in 360 seconds, which equals 6 minutes. Be sure to click the Save button if you've made any changes. That's all there is to change the call parking timeout duration in GoToAdmin.